Hello everyone. Let's start lying down in Shavasana today. Settle down onto the mat. Separate the feet at least mat width apart. Hands by this side. Take a slow long breath in, filling your belly and chest up. And as you are exhaling, closing your eyes. Start watching the breath, movement of the belly. As the belly is expanding and contracting as you are breathing, moving awareness to your chest. Let the ribcage also expand as you are inhaling. And let the ribcage contract as you exhale. Take a deep breath in, expanding your chest nicely, holding the breath in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale through your mouth. Mouth closed. Inhale, deep breath in. Hold the breath in, expanding your chest. Holding it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale through mouth. One last time. Inhale. Hold. Exhale out fully. Slowly blink open your eyes. Let's join the feet together, toes pointing towards the face. Hugging the right knee close to chest. Wrapping the hand around the knee. Keep pointing the toes towards you. We'll stay here for the next 7 deep breaths out to bring the right knee close to the right shoulder. Keep pressing the left thigh down firmly. We'll stay there for 7. Every exhale, belly in. 6, 5, 4, 3. Press the left thigh down firmly, low back flat. 2 and 1. Exhale out fully. Let's grab hold of the right big toe with the first 3 fingers of the right hand. Shoulders down. Left palm onto your left thigh. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, slowly start straightening your right leg out without lifting the shoulder up too much. So tighten the right thigh. Point the right heel up towards the ceiling and toes towards your face. Straighten your knee. We'll stay here for the next 5 breaths. Every exhale, try to straighten the knee just a bit more. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, hugging the right knee close to chest again. Take your time, holding on to the big toe again, the right big toe with the first 3 fingers. Left palm onto your thigh. Inhale. Try to stretch your leg out as much as you can, and exhale, slowly start dropping the right leg towards the right side without tilting your hip towards the right side. So go down as much as the body is allowing you. Complete awareness with your inner thighs and turning your head towards the left for the next 5 breaths. keep deepening your exhales. Exhale out fully. Inhale, bringing the leg back to center. Let the right leg be lifted up. We point the right toes out and dropping both your hands by the sides of your body. This time let's point both our feet out and left foot just off the floor. Choice to stay here, draw the belly in. If you're finding this difficult, remain here. Otherwise, lifting your shoulders up, stretching your arms forward and gaze up towards the ceiling. We'll stay there for 5. Strengthen both your legs, belly in. 4, 3, stretch both your legs out. 2 and 1. Shoulder down, right foot down, eyes closed for a few seconds. Relax. Awareness back to your belly. Moving on to the other side. Let's join the feet together, toes pointing in. Left knee to chest, wrap the hand around and 7 deep breaths out to bring the knee closer to the left shoulder. So the entire low back is flat and you are pressing the right thigh nice and firm. Stay here for 7. Every exhale, knee to chest. 6, 5, active legs. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale out fully. Take your time to hold on to the left big toe with the first 3 fingers. Right palm onto your right thigh. Exhale out here. Inhale. Slowly work on straightening the left leg out without lifting the left shoulder too much. So one side might be tighter than the other. So take it slow. Keep tightening your left thigh and start deepening your exhales so that your bend from the hip happens. We'll stay for the next 5 breaths. Choice to keep your eyes closed. And slowly work on stretching your entire left leg out. Exhale out fully, bend the left knee, catch your breath. Holding on to the big toe again. Press the right thigh down, inhale, straighten the left leg out till you can and exhale, slowly start bringing the left leg down towards the floor, turning your gaze towards the right side. So avoid tilting too much towards the left side, draw the belly in to bring the foot down slowly. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, awareness with your inner thighs, 2 and 1. Inhale, come back to center. Let's point both our feet out. So left leg is stretched out, toes pointed out, hands by the side of your body. Exhale, right foot just off the floor. Choice to stay here, otherwise next exhale, shoulders off, hands reaching forward, looking up. We'll hold it for 5, keep breathing normally. 4, squeeze the belly in nicely. 3, 2 and 1. Both knees bent, feet on mat, palms on your belly, eyes closed for a few seconds. Let's join the feet together, hugging both knees close to chest. Wrap the hands around nicely, toes pointed up. So your legs are engaged, knees pressing close to the chest. Let's lift the head up where your nose is pointing towards your knees. Squeeze the belly in and stretch both your arms forward. Pavanamuktasana without hand support. Keep drawing the belly in and keep moving the knee closer towards your nose. We'll stay there for 5. Curling up into a tiny ball. 4, 3, draw the belly in, try to press the low back down also. 2 And 1, exhale, release. Knees bent, feet on mat. Palms on belly, eyes closed. Getting into happy baby postures. So we'll bend both knees, grabbing hold of the inner soles of our feet. So take your time. Your ankle, knees in one straight line. Toes are pointing towards the back wall. Lower back is flat onto the mat. So take time to press the lower back down. And slowly start moving the knees down using your hand support. Again, ensure that the shoulders are not lifting up too much. And avoid lifting the hip up too much. Eyes closed. Awareness to your inner thighs. Every time you inhale, try to press the lower back down. Exhale, draw the belly in, knees come down closer to the floor. We'll stay for the next 7 to 8 breaths. If naturally, if you feel like swaying from side to side, go ahead and do that. If the eyes are closed, opening your eyes, press the heels down even more firmly. Let the legs remain in the same place. Draw the belly in, exhale, lift the shoulder, arms reaching forward. Keep squeezing your belly and keep moving the knees down. We'll stay there for 5. Keep breathing. 4. Looking up. 3. 2. Use your inner thighs to move the knees down. And 1. Exhale, slowly bring your feet down. Join the soles of the feet together. Knees dropping to the sides. Palms resting on your thighs. Eyes closed in Supta Baddha Konasana. Letting your thighs and the belly relax. Take one more deep breath in. Fill your belly and the chest up. Exhale through your mouth. And slowly joining your knees together. Let's bring the knees close to chest. Hold on to your knees with both your hands. Cross your ankles. You're going to rock forward. Let the big toes touch. And rock back. Let the hip lift up. Rock forward. Inhale. Exhale. Rock back. Rock forward. Very good practice to massage your spine. Rock back. 3 more times. Forward and back. Forward and back. Last time you're going to come up to squat to Malasana. Forward and squatting up in Malasana. Toes pointing to the side. Bringing the elbows inside the knee. Press the palms firmly. Lengthen spine. Lift the hip up gently. And take time to move the knees nice and away. And without letting go of the pressure of your elbows onto the knee, slowly release the hip down. Now closing your eyes, moving awareness to your inner thighs again. Take one more deep breath in, lengthen spine. Exhale out fully, opening your eyes. Let's bring our palms down. Lift the hip up and walk your feet slightly away from each other, toes pointing to the side. So the medium stance, not too wide a stance. Again, we're going to use our elbows to move the knees off. Tips of the fingers touching each other. Inhale, lengthen spine, we're looking forward. Exhale, slowly start releasing your hip down. Be very mindful. It's just like Malasana with a wider stance. Every time you exhale, bringing the hip down one step. We stay here for 5. Breathe out deeper. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale out and let's release the palms down, fingers spread wide. Point the toes in, heels out. And slowly work on straightening your legs out. Come on to the tips of your fingers. Inhale, lengthen spine, chest halfway up, gaze forward. Exhale, slowly start folding forward. Choice to keep the knees bent if the bend is not happening from the hip. Those who are fairly flexible can bring the palms in line with the feet and trying to bring the crown of the head down between your palms. So every exhale, bring the belly between the thighs. Inhale, lengthen spine. Shoulders are nice and away from your ears. 5 more breaths in. Tighten both your thighs. See if you can straighten the knees out completely. Exhale out there. Inhale, lift chest up, look forward, coming onto the tips of your fingers. Point your toes out. And exhale, we'll squat down towards the right side. So take your time, you can use hand support if the squat is not happening properly. You might either be here if the hips are tight or you can come down fully. If you have come down fully, choice to wrap your right hand around the right thigh. Lengthen, lift chest up, lean back towards your right knee and wrapping the left hand around. Trying to grab hold of your fingers or the left wrist with your right palm. Inhale, lengthen spine, exhale, start rolling your left shoulder out. Looking over your left shoulder for 5. If the bind is not happening, you can choose to stretch both your arms out. 4, 3, deepen your exhale, twist a bit more. 2, and 1, slowly releasing. Stretching both your arms forward. Press both your feet firmly, especially the right foot. Inhale, coming up. And exhale, squat down towards the left side. So take your time, you can use bolster support also so that you can place your buttock onto the bolster. Wrap the left hand around the left knee. If the bind didn't happen the last time, just stretch both your arms out. Right hand around. Strengthen legs, inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, start rolling the right shoulder back. Keep pointing the right foot towards you. Looking over your right shoulder. Deepening your exhales for 5. Keep moving the left knee out. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale out completely, releasing your hands. Stretching both your arms forward. Press the left foot firmly. Inhale, coming up to Kalyasana stance. So you can walk your feet slightly closer, so that your ankle is in one straight line and toes are traveling in the direction of your knee. We'll place the palms onto the thighs, onto the knees or thighs. Bring the chest halfway down. You're moving the knees nice and away from each other. Inhale here, exhale, right shoulder down, left shoulder lifting up. Look back over your left shoulder. Twisting here for 5. Keep moving the knees nice and away. 4. Sink your hip lower. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come back to center. Move the knees nice and away. Exhale, left shoulder down, right shoulder rolling back, looking over your right shoulder. You stay there for 5. Every exhale, draw the belly in, hip sinking down. 4. Stretch your neck a little bit more. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale out fully. Inhale, coming up to standing. Let's join our feet together for a balancing posture. So I am going to come off the mat because the mat is slightly cushiony for me. If you have flat foot, use wall support. Let's bring the right knee closer to chest. Point the toes down, draw the belly in. Find your balance here. Choice to stay here if you are wobbly. Otherwise, holding on to the right big toe with the first 3 fingers. Just like what we did lying down. Left hand on hip. Exhale out fully. Inhale without moving the shoulders. Slowly try to straighten your right leg out. Engage your lower abdomen, chest is lifted. You stay there for 5. You found balance, choice to stretch your left arm up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly releasing the right foot down. Hands on hip, eyes closed. Just watch your body and breath. And slowly opening your eyes. Gaze down at one point, bringing the left knee closer to chest. So the left toes are pointing down. Draw the belly in, straighten the standing knee. Grabbing hold of the left big toe with the first 3 fingers. Right hand on hip. Choice to stay here, otherwise inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, straightening the left leg out. And keep moving the left shoulder back. Stay here for 5. Choice to stretch the right arm up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right hand on hip, slowly bringing the left foot down. Hands on hip, eyes closed. Exhale out fully. Step back to the mat towards the front, joining the feet together. Few rounds of Surya Namaskars, palms in front of chest. Exhale out fully in Pranamasana. Inhale, lifting both your arms up. Hasta Uttana, lean back gently. Keep moving the thighs forward, open chest up. Knees softly when exhale, fold forward, Padahastas. Inhale, right leg steps back. Stretch your right leg out, gaze forward. Palms down, left foot flat to plank, Dandasana. Exhale, knees, chest and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskara. Pointed toes out, slide forward, chest up, Bhujangasana, broad shoulders. Tuck toes, lifting your knee and hip up, downward facing dog, Parvatasana. Inhale, right foot forward in between palms, gaze forward. Exhale, left forward. Inhale, stretch both your arms out, lengthen, lean back. We're going to continue. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, left leg back. Palms down, right back to plank. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left foot forward in between palms. Exhale, right forward. Inhale, coming up with a straight spine, lean back. Continuing, exhale, folding forward. Inhale, right leg back. Palms down, left back. Exhale, Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, left forward. Inhale, coming up. Continuing, exhale, fold forward. Inhale, left back. Palms down, right back. Exhale, Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left forward. Exhale, right forward. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, folding forward. Third round. Inhale, right back. Hold breath, left back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right forward. Exhale, left forward. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left back. Hold breath, right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left forward. Exhale, right forward. Inhale, coming up, fourth round. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right. Hold breath, left. Exhale, keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale, left. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left back. Hold breath, right. Exhale. inhale, exhale, inhale left, exhale right, inhale coming up, fifth round, exhale full, inhale right, hold breath left, please take breaks if required, exhale, inhale, keep breathing, exhale, inhale right forward, exhale left, inhale coming up, exhale, inhale left, hold breath right, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale left, exhale right, inhale coming up, sixth round, exhale full, inhale right back, hold breath left, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale right, exhale left, inhale, exhale full, inhale left back, hold breath right, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale left, exhale right, inhale coming up, seventh round, picking up pace, exhale full, inhale right, hold breath left, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale right, exhale left, inhale, exhale full, inhale left, hold breath right, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale left, exhale right, inhale, exhale full, inhale right, hold breath left, exhale, inhale, exhale, keep breathing, inhale right, exhale left, inhale, exhale full, inhale left, hold breath right, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale left, exhale right, last round, inhale, exhale full, inhale right, hold breath left, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale right, exhale left, inhale, exhale full, inhale left, hold breath right, almost there, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale left, exhale right, inhale coming up, exhale, let's lie down onto the mat, feet separated, right palm on your belly, left palm on your chest, let's just breathe, eyes closed, mouth closed. Slowly start lengthening your inhales. Opening your eyes. Let's get the knees bent, feet on mat. Hands by the side. Choice to hold on to your ankles for bridge pose. If holding on to the ankle is uncomfortable, press the palms down. Pressing your feet firmly, feet separated, hip width apart. Slowly start lifting your thighs up. Physically roll your shoulders down and start moving your chest or the rib cage towards your chin. Keep lifting your thighs up. Strong legs. We'll stay there for 7. Breathe. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Slowly bringing your hip down. Closing your eyes. Let the lower back settle down. If you are not able to hold on to the ankle, repeat bridge pose. Others, let's bring the palms beneath the shoulders. Exhale out fully. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Hold the breath in. Give a good nudge to your body, placing the crown of the head down. So exhale, inhale, deep breath in. Hold it, lift, crown of the head down. Now keep the thighs and chest lifted up. And slowly see if you can grab hold of your ankle with both your hands. And keep lifting the chest up. Just as though the nose wants to touch down. We'll stay there for 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bringing your palms down. Bring this head down. Hips down. Hugging both knees close to chest. Eyes closed. Let's cross ankles, rock forward, come up to seated. Stretching both the legs out for Paschimottanasana. So we'll keep the knees bent. Grabbing hold of the sides of our feet. Thumb is on top of our feet. Toes pointing towards you. Press the sit bones down. Inhale, lengthen spine, shoulders relaxed. And slowly start walking your heels forward without letting go of the contact of your belly and the thigh. So using the support of your hand to stretch the spine forward is as though you are extending from the sides of your ribcage. Slowly try to press the chest and the chin down. Keep gazing at the big toe. Tighten thighs, stretch your legs up. Breathe. You stay here for 5, 4, 3. Keep pointing the foot towards you. 2 and 1. Exhale out fully. Inhale, lengthen spine, chest up. Exhale, release. Let's do a simple twist. So both legs stretched out. Let's bring the right foot outside the left knee. So the left toes are pointing towards you, active left leg. Move the right knee in. Lift the chest up, hooking the left elbow outside the right knee. Right fingertips behind you. The choice to stay here, or you can choose to grab hold of your right foot with your left hand. Inhale, lengthen spine. Exhale, rolling your right shoulder back. Start peeling your belly away from the right thigh. Look back and stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Look forward, releasing the grip. Let's stretch the right leg out. Bringing the left foot outside the right. Again, let's hold on to the knee. Let's move the knee closer to the chest. Active right leg. Inhale, lifting the right arm up, hooking the elbow outside. Elbow or the upper arm outside the left knee. Choice to hold on to your left foot with your right hand. Left fingertips behind you. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, slowly start rolling your left shoulder out. Looking back for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, look forward, releasing your hands. Let's sit in simple cross leg. Palms on knees, straight spine, eyes closed for a few seconds. Let the thighs relax. Start watching your belly. Slowly start watching your rib cage as well. Take one deep breath in. Exhale through your mouth. Opening your eyes. We'll do a simple breathing practice which is called the yogic breaths or yogic breathing. So choose any comfortable seated posture. Simple cross leg. I am going to sit in Gomukhasana. So whichever side comes down easily for you, where you are comfortable, you can choose Gomukhasana as the seated posture, or Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, or you can do the practice lying down also. If your body is feeling tired, you can lie down and do the practice. It's very simple. You'll be sitting up straight and we'll be taking full breaths in. When I say full breath, your belly expands, rib cage expands. Once the rib cage expands, breathe in a bit more till you feel the lift in your collarbones. So there will be a slight lift in the shoulder when you do that. And very slow exhale. The collarbone drops, chest collapses and the belly goes in. So there will be no count for this because each person will have their own capacity of breathing in and out. So the only thing to keep in mind is when you are inhaling, let the belly and the chest expand. Once the chest has expanded, breathe in a bit more. Feel the lift in your collarbones and slowly exhale out. So we will do 10 rounds, as in like 10 breaths in and out. Palms either on your knees, if you are in Gomukhasana, interlace fingers and just placing them on the top knee. Straight spine, shoulders relaxed, eyes closed. If you are finding it difficult to keep the eyes closed, look down at one point. Let's start the practice together. Exhale out fully. Inhale, belly expands, chest expands. Breathe in a bit more by lifting your shoulders up. Exhale slowly. 9 more breaths at your own pace. Complete your next exhale and hold the breath out till you can. Once you can't hold it, resume to normal breathing, lying down in Shavasana. One last deep breath in. Feel it in your collarbones. Exhale out very slowly. Holding breath out. means you can't hold it any longer. Keeping the eyes closed, take your time to lie down in Shavasana. Let the body settle down, and you can choose to go back to yogic breathing till you naturally sink into the state of Shavasana. So make conscious effort to take few deep breaths in, and then let the body just be there and let the breath be natural. Shavasana. Let the eyes be closed. You can choose to stay longer in Shavasana. For preparing to come out with me, start moving your toes, fingers, dropping your head from side to side, and give a gentle stretch to your neck. Joining the feet together. Stretch arms overhead, interlace fingers. Point your toes out. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Hold the breath in and give a good stretch to your body. And release. Bend both knees, roll to the right side, and let's stay curled up for the next few seconds in fetal position. Moving awareness to both your nostrils. Keeping the eyes closed, coming up to seated. Simple cross leg, palms in front of chest. Rub palms together. Place them on your eyes. Completely relax your eyes, eyeballs. And slowly blink open into your palms.
Thank you for practicing with me today. Have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Take good care of yourself. Bye.